Yes. Keita, Jenna, Charisse, Montano, Fuentes. Yes, boy, short man. Simone. Yeah. Hey, Gerald, is you?
Here we go.
DJ Fresh, this is
And Tokyo with a shot. Oh! And the keeper
this is
immediately called into action.
Scores remain unchanged.
Corner for the Colombians. This one is long. It's well dealt with. But the Colombians regain possession.
This is Escalante.
A long range chance here. And that will be another corner. Pass it. Oh, a nice attempt at the 1-2 there. It's blocked off. Meanwhile, the Hatchets comes. Not the best of crosses. But it's played back to the keeper. Here comes the Colombian there with a nice chance. A shot. Oh, and just missed out there. That would have given them a nice cushion with a 4-2 lead. Meanwhile, the Swiss looking to get the equalizer. That's not a good cross. Appeal for a handball is given. So a free kick, a direct free kick. This could cause some trouble for the goalie. Shot to the bench. There you go, the long range shot. Oh, and it's in! Well. We've spoken about that bounce time and time again. And it was a horrible one for the goalie who probably thought he had it covered. So the lead now stretches to 4-2. And Tokyo coming from 2-0 down to lead by 4-2. There we see the shot. Keeper would have thought he had it covered, but that bounce is what did him there. Back to the live action. Oh, a nice chance. Well, nice back heel. Not getting to the intended target though. The ball is played back. So the Swiss looking at a completely different side from the team that started, that took the 2-goal lead. Guess the spirit might have been crushed by the way the Colombians, as I was saying, the way the Colombians have come back into this game might have killed off the spirit. There you see a shot of the keeper who had a close attempt. Here comes the Colombians once again. 3-2. Oh, the bicycle. And the whistle is gone. I think it's a foul on the keeper. don't see how that could be. The player would have had no chance of seeing the keeper.
Free kick. Now to the Hatchets. There you go. Shot.
This one
Good power.
is wide.
Not too bad accuracy. This guy was one. Rojas.
Oh, nice shot. Just wide. So just about 6.5 minutes remaining in this final period of play. Just to remind you, 2 more games on the schedule this evening. Following this matchup, we have the Swiss Chargers coming up against Club Meta of Colombia. And then the big game, Barcelona against the Port of Spain Patriots. So that promises to be a cracker. So what just happened there? I swore the keeper had it covered. And somehow it's now 5-2 in favor of Antioquia. Let's take a look. The keeper just playing it, releases the rifle, and that bounce. We have spoken so many times about it. Just the wrongdoing of the keeper again. Undoing. How will the Swiss reply? A shot. Not to worry about though. In fact, they've gotten a corner. Seems to get the deflection. Corner comes in. So tight defending. Oh, a good save. Oh, there's a chance here for the 6th. So Colombia the Colombian team just toiling with hatchets. They have to chase. Ooh. A toenail away from the 6th goal.
Fernando was looking for Chris. Chris was nowhere to be found. Timeout.
So timeout has been called. Not sure if it's a strategic timeout or the reason for it. Oh, it's injury to the keeper of Antioquia. Seems to have got some sand in his eye. So he's all sorted out. The game should resume now. Oh, just wide. So these shots coming out of almost nothing. Hatchets have really lost their way in this game. They started off so positively. Have just faded as the Colombians have clawed their way back into the game and into the lead.
Loses out. Ortega. There he goes. There's Escalante. Garrett get a kick on the move. There's Escalante Rojas. Confronted now by Gittins.
So that's a foul and it will be a free kick in a dangerous area. Might not be the best of angles, but just over 2 minutes remaining, or 2 minutes 20 seconds.
Rojas is the man lining up the shot. Places it on the bucket. Let's see what he can happen.
Let's go. The shot. Oh! Just missed a little bit of a curl. Not a bad attempt though. The angle is always going to be a bit tough. Oh, trying to be a bit too cute in the back. Almost paid the price for that.
Excellent idea. Gets the thumbs up from
Here come the Swiss, looking to get one back. But it will be the Colombians. With the one looking, trying to be a bit cheeky there. Nothing really worrying, just about a minute and a half remaining.
Desist from leaning onto the signboards. Spectators, please desist from leaning onto our signboards.
Oh, a chance here. Should have done better there. That should have been a 6th goal. So just under a minute now. The clock winds down. There's a long range shot. Too high. Just unable to get the dip. And it's the Colombians again. So just playing in defense. And the Swiss can't seem to stay on their feet. Meanwhile, Colombia, the keeper is out. The goal is open. The shot blocked. A chance here for this one on the line, and that's all she wrote. That's the end of the game. And Tokyo coming from 2 goals down to win this one, 5 goals to 2 against the BN Hatchers. Good comeback, good game, exciting encounter. Let's take a look at some of the highlights.